Welcome back to Prop News Time. Here are the headlines for the day. Thane's infrastructure push. New metro access, road expansions, and freeway extension. The Thane Municipal Corporation, TMC, has unveiled a 5,645 crore rupees budget for 2025 to 2026, prioritizing road repairs, public transport, and urban infrastructure. Key projects include the Balcom Gaimukh Coastal Road, 3,300 Pal, 64.62 crore rupees, and the Thane Borivali Tunnel, 16,600.4 crore rupees, aimed at easing congestion and cutting travel time. The launch of 160 electric buses, 57 crore rupees, and construction of 9 metro foot overbridges further improve mobility. Other major initiatives include flyovers on Ghodbunder Road, Eastern Freeway Extension, 2,900 crore rupees, and an elevated road on the Eastern Express Highway, 1,275 crore rupees. These developments will significantly enhance connectivity, reduce congestion, and boost Thane's infrastructure. Rajasthan aims for $350 billion economy with major investments and industrial growth. Rajasthan is driving industrial expansion and economic growth through strategic initiatives, aiming to become a $350 billion economy in 5 years and achieve Viksit Rajasthan 2047. The Rising Rajasthan Global Investment Summit, December 2024, secured 30 lakh crore rupees, $400 billion in MoEs, with major investments in renewable energy, including Tata Power's 1,20,000 crore rupees pledge. The government is focusing on land banks for industrial zones, infrastructure development, and digital services. With 17% GDP growth projected and FDI inflows of 1,97,000 crore rupees, 2019 to 2024, Rajasthan is emerging as a key investment hub with global partnerships. Mumbai Coastal Road, BMC seeks contractor for 5-year maintenance contract. The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, BMC, has issued an 85 crore rupees tender for the operation and maintenance of the Mumbai Coastal Road project over 5 years. Responsibilities include firefighting systems, patrolling, towing, lane marking, and signage upkeep. While critical systems like tunnel ventilation, SCADA, and UPS will remain under the current contractor for 2 more years, they will later be integrated into the new contract. Additionally, BMC has partnered with Tata Sons to enhance road dividers along a 4.4-kilometer stretch and is seeking CSR support for open space development. These efforts aim to enhance Mumbai's key transport infrastructure and public spaces. Property deals. Akshay Kumar sells Oberoi Sky City apartment for 4 crore 35 lakh rupees. Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar has reportedly sold his apartment in Borivali East, Mumbai, for 4 crore 35 lakh rupees. The property, situated in Oberoi Realty's Sky City project, spans 1,073 square feet and includes 2 dedicated car parking spaces. This transaction was registered earlier this week, attracting a stamp duty of 26,10,000 rupees and registration charges amounting to 30,000 rupees. Market data has shown that Sky City continues to perform strongly, with 208 sale registrations between March last year and this February, amounting to 818 crore rupees. Notably, Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan were reported to have acquired multiple units in the same project last year. Delhi NCR surpasses Mumbai and Hyderabad to become the top-selling housing market in 2024. Delhi NCR has emerged as the leading housing market in 2024, surpassing Mumbai and Hyderabad, driven by a remarkable 66% surge in sales value in Gurugram alone, as per PropEquity. The region's total sales value has grown by 63% to 1,53,000 crore rupees crossing the 1 lakh crore rupees threshold for the first time. In contrast, Mumbai recorded 1,38,000 crore rupees with a modest increase, while Hyderabad experienced a decline. The report highlighted robust infrastructure development, increased corporate presence, and employment opportunities as key drivers of demand in Delhi NCR, especially in high-value housing. Ahmedabad set to build its tallest tower. A 150-meter commercial skyscraper, Ahmedabad is witnessing rapid growth in skyscraper construction, with a new 150-meter commercial tower planned near Nirma University, set to become the city's tallest building. This development is part of a larger trend of vertical expansion driven by regulatory changes that have increased the Floor Space Index, FSI, in key areas. The Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, AMC, has approved 23 buildings over 100 meters, while the Ahmedabad Urban Development Authority, AYUDA, has cleared 6, with more under review. Other cities like Surat, Gandhinagar, and Vadodara are also seeing high-rise projects. With ongoing policy support and rising demand, Ahmedabad is emerging as a skyscraper hub in Gujarat. Senior living in India evolves beyond care homes, driven by rising demand. India's senior population is projected to grow from 157 million in 2024 to 346 million by 2050, 20.6% of the population, driving demand for modern senior living communities. A CREDAI KPMG report highlights the rise of organized senior housing, with South India leading 62% of projects, particularly in Coimbatore, Bengaluru, and Chennai. Unlike traditional care homes, new-age senior living spaces focus on independent living, wellness programs, and medical support. The global senior living market, valued at $190 billion in 2020, is set to reach $375 billion by 2030, with India emerging as a key player. Increased investments, urban connectivity, and government policies are further boosting the sector. Supreme Court allows Dharavi redevelopment to continue. Next hearing scheduled for May. The Supreme Court has declined to halt the Dharavi redevelopment project in Mumbai, currently undertaken by Adani Properties Pavathilothadel. The court issued notices to the Basaka, the Maharashtra government, and Adani Properties following a petition by Seclink Technologies Corporation, which challenged a previous Bombay High Court decision upholding the project's tender process. Seclink, initially the highest bidder in 2018, had its tender scrapped, leading to Adani's successful bid in 2022. Seclink offered to increase its bid by 20%, but the court did not stay the project. Adani has commenced work, employing around 2,000 people. The Supreme Court has directed Adani to process all project-related payments through a single bank account, with the next hearing scheduled for the week of May 25. RERA News, Telangana RERA fines developers 19,80,000 rupees for failing to provide promised amenities. The Telangana Real Estate Regulatory Authority, RERA, fined developers T. Madhusudan, Reddy and Sriram, Reddy 19,80,000 rupees for failing to deliver promised amenities in the TMR Marvel Villa project at Macha Bolarum. Resident N. Sravanthi filed a complaint after essential infrastructure, including water supply, street lights, and a compound wall, remained incomplete despite assurances. She also incurred 2 lakh rupees for additional safety measures. TG RERA ordered the developers to complete the pending work and rectify water and drainage issues immediately. This ruling reinforces TG RERA's role in protecting home buyers and ensuring developer accountability in real estate projects. BWH hotels to expand in India with 21 new properties over the next 2 years. BWH Hotels, which operates brands like Best Western and Shore Stay, plans to expand its India presence by adding 21 new hotels over the next 2 years. Global CEO Larry Kuklik emphasized a strategic shift toward newly constructed properties to enhance brand reputation and guest experience. Currently, BWH manages 32 hotels across India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, generating INR 250 crore in revenue. The company has agreements for 54 new hotels and aims to reach 100 properties in 5 to 7 years. This expansion positions BWH Hotels as a key player in India's hospitality sector, ensuring steady growth in the coming years. Telangana launches Future City Development Authority to build Net Zero Fourth City. The Kolkata Municipal Corporation has eased building regulations to assist small plot owners in colonies and on Thika land. These changes reduce mandatory open space requirements and expedite approvals within 15 days. Plots ranging from 300 to 2,100 square feet can now accommodate three-story buildings. The revised policy significantly lowers approval fees, promoting legal compliance and safer construction. Owners must collaborate with licensed professionals, while KMC inspectors will oversee site work. By streamlining approvals and enforcing safety standards, the initiative curbs illegal construction, enhances urban planning, and fosters responsible development while ensuring secure and efficient use of limited land. Tata Power Renewable Energy signs MOU for 7 gigawatt projects in Andhra Pradesh. Tata Power Renewable Energy Limited, Tiparale, has formalized an MOU with the Andhra Pradesh government to develop up to 7 gigawatts of renewable energy projects, including solar, wind, and hybrid systems. This initiative, valued at approximately INR 49,000 crore, is set to be one of the state's largest renewable energy investments. The projects will span the districts of Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapur, and Prakasam, and are expected to generate around 33,000 jobs. This collaboration aligns with Andhra Pradesh's integrated clean energy policy, aiming to establish over 160 gigawatts of renewable energy, thereby advancing the state's sustainable energy goals. China may lift price caps on local government purchases of unsold homes. China is considering removing the price limits on local governments purchasing unsold apartments to accelerate clearing excess housing stock, as per Bloomberg. The world's second largest economy faces a prolonged property crisis, with home prices expected to decline further despite government interventions. Currently, purchases are capped at the cost of affordable homes in the same area, but lifting this ceiling would ease developers' financial strain and grant officials more pricing flexibility. Last year, China took unprecedented steps to stabilize the sector, including urging local governments to buy unsold properties from debt-laden developers. This move aims to further support struggling real estate markets. Blackstone's USD 8 billion real estate fund targets office markets in New York, London, and Toronto. Blackstone has raised USD 8 billion for its real estate debt strategies V fund, signaling a real estate market recovery. The fund will focus on North America, Europe, and Australia, targeting loan acquisitions and new lending opportunities. Cities like New York, London, and Toronto are witnessing a surge in office leasing, driven by financial institutions and tech firms expanding their footprints. While Blackstone's office exposure is now below 2%, its shift toward real estate debt investments minimizes risk while capitalizing on demand for premium office spaces in major global markets. Uttarakhand authorities clear 95 illegal encroachments in Pauri. Uttarakhand's Pauri district removed 95 illegal encroachments in Kalagar as part of a campaign to reclaim government land. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami reaffirmed strict action against unlawful occupants, emphasizing cultural and demographic preservation. Over 5,000 acres have been reclaimed, following stringent land laws. The Uttarakhand Assembly recently passed a land reform bill. The administration aims to strengthen security, law enforcement, and cultural integrity through strict legal enforcement, ensuring government land remains protected for future generations while maintaining Uttarakhand's historical and demographic balance. Jaipur Police upgrades Nazar app to enhance security for tenants. The Jaipur Police is upgrading its Nazar app to allow tenants to register and use key security features, improving safety for rented properties. Initially designed for homeowners, the app previously lacked tenant access. The update will enable tenants to register domestic workers, receive security alerts, and track elderly residents at home. Landlords must first register their properties, after which tenants can gain access upon police approval. The upgrade is underway, with officials ensuring smooth implementation. This move aims to enhance residential security and make safety measures more inclusive for Jaipur's growing tenant population. HC Judgment. Karnataka High Court upholds 5-year limit for stamp duty recovery. The Karnataka High Court has ruled that stamp duty recovery actions under Section 46A of the Karnataka Stamp Act 1957 must be initiated within 5 years of document registration, except in cases of fraud, collusion, or willful misstatement. The ruling came after B.C. Prasad and his son challenged a 2010 notice demanding INR 98,500 in unpaid stamp duty for a 1995 General Power of Attorney (GPA). The court deemed the 15-year delay unlawful, reinforcing timeliness in financial recoveries. This aligns with similar Delhi and Maharashtra rulings, ensuring government actions adhere to strict timelines, preventing undue legal disputes. Okhla slum demolition, court stresses the need for resident survey before intervention. The Delhi High Court has refused to stay the key demolition of the Okhla Dhobi Ghat slum, directing the Delhi Development Authority (DDA) to first conduct a survey to determine residents' eligibility for rehabilitation. The DDA asserts that the area, located on the Yamuna floodplain, is not listed under the Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board (DUSCB) rehabilitation scheme. Similar cases in Mumbai and Chennai highlight the conflict between urban housing and environmental concerns, with courts often ruling for relocation only if due process is followed. The verdict underscores the ongoing tension between slum dwellers' rights and ecological conservation. Property deals. BNP Paribas leases IIXA's premium office space in BKC. Mumbai. BNP Paribas has leased a 3,497 square foot office at Maker Maxcity, BKC, at INR 811 per square foot per month, totaling INR 17 crore over 5 years. This deal reinforces BKC's status as India's most expensive commercial hub. The lease includes 3 parking spaces and a 5% annual rent escalation. Tesla recently secured an INR 881 per square foot lease at Maker Maxcity, marking another high-profile transaction. BKC, Mumbai's Central Business District, CBD, houses global giants like Apple, Netflix, Amazon, and Pfizer, along with key financial institutions and government offices, solidifying its status as India's premier corporate hub. Ulhasnagar Municipal Corporation collects INR 42 crore in 11 days under Abhay Yojana. The Ulhasnagar Municipal Corporation, UMC, has significantly boosted property tax collections through its Abhay Yojana scheme, which offers a 100% interest waiver for defaulters. On the last day alone, INR 16 crore was collected, bringing the 11-day total to INR 42 crore. Major contributions came from companies like Amar Dai, INR 7 crore 70 lakh, and Aesis Hospital, INR 1 crore 49 lakh. With property tax arrears exceeding INR 900 crore, UMC hopes to collect more before the March 18 deadline. While effective, the scheme has faced criticism for favoring defaulters over regular taxpayers. Similar rebate schemes have been used in Mumbai, Pune, and Nagpur. Raipur's tax enforcement tightens as RMC seals property for unpaid dues. The Raipur Municipal Corporation, RMC, has intensified its crackdown on property tax defaulters, sealing Anand Restaurant in Zone 10 for failing to pay INR 5,92,000 in dues. Since 2019 to 2020, despite multiple notices, the owner did not respond, prompting action under Commissioner Abhinash Mishra's directive. The move serves as a warning to other defaulters, reinforcing the city's commitment to tax recovery. RMC has also conducted door-to-door tax collection and updated property tax assessments to improve compliance. The municipality vows continued enforcement to ensure timely payments, strengthen revenue collection, and maintain financial order. New Delhi News. NDMC cracks down on property tax defaulters, attaches 13 Connaught Place properties. The New Delhi Municipal Council, NDMC, has intensified its crackdown on property tax defaulters, attaching 13 properties in Connaught Place due to unpaid dues. Despite prior notices, owners failed to respond, prompting action under Section 100(1) of the NDMC Act. 5 owners have since paid INR 6 crore, but de-attachment requires a written commitment to clear all dues by March 31. NDMC aims to recover INR 200 crore from 3,200 defaulters. Property owners dispute the comparable rent method for tax assessment, calling for a unified tax policy aligning NDMC with MCD's unit area method for fairness and transparency. Housing sales up 23% in 2024 as smaller cities fuel India's real estate expansion. India's real estate market in 2024 saw a major shift, with Tier 2 and 3 cities emerging as key players in land acquisitions, 44% of 3,294 acres, and housing demand. According to a report published by Liasis Foras, sales surged 23% year-on-year to 6,81,130 state units, with the market valued at INR 7.5 trillion, 43% growth. Luxury housing dominated 71% of sales value, with 1 to 2 crore units rising by 52% and ultra-luxury homes, above 2 crore, growing by 73%. Pune's residential market thrives as home prices rise 11% in 2024. Pune's residential real estate market continued its strong growth in 2025, driven by affordability, infrastructure development, and a thriving job market. In 2024, home prices rose 11% year-on-year to INR 6,590 per square foot, with 90,127 units sold. The demand for luxury housing, INR 3 to 4 crore plus, surged, fueled by Pune's technology, finance, and manufacturing sectors. Luxury sales more than doubled to 825 units, but new supply lagged at 295 units. Build Capital exits Mumbai SRA project with 19.76% IRR. Build Capital successfully exited its investment in a slum rehabilitation authority SRA project near Bandra Kurla Complex, BKC, Mumbai, marking another strong return in structured real estate financing. The firm's early-stage investment helped the developer overcome delays, align with DCPR 2034 guidelines, and improve project economics. With 225,000 square feet of carpet area, the project is expected to generate INR 725 crore in revenue. The exit delivered a 19.76% IRR, with timely interest payments to investors. That's a wrap for today. Tune in tomorrow for the latest headlines.